Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today we have here shares of Ferrari trading at new all-time highs, an impressive price above $109. This corresponds precisely to the information that subscribers to my program Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading received when we reiterated a strong buy rating in shares of Ferrari. We have a strong buy since $32, and we made this call complementary to investors worldwide, not only in Ferrari as well as in Netflix. I'm referring to this article that you have here on the blog of the company, and we were 100% certain that both companies they were going to announce a blowout quarter. Ferrari reached new all-time highs, and Netflix, just for your reference, today you have a price of $183. Shares of Netflix, they reached $190. At the time of the article that you have on the blog of the company, in real time, ahead of earnings, Netflix was trading at $147. We have a strong buy rating Netflix since $5.85. A return on investment above 6,300%. You can ask any client since then. And in Ferrari, by far better performer than Tesla. We informed you about this. But the reason why, as of today, the number of subscribers quadrupled, precisely in this program, Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading, it is not due to Netflix or Ferrari only. We nailed every single earnings call. Moreover, we explained what we expect. We announced zero risk price targets, and all these price targets they have been reached. Therefore, we proved with the timestamp history the single best performance worldwide investing in the markets. This is impressive. We also made a favor sharing some of our picks in the Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading program with small investors in the Bull and Bear platform, and the results are so astonishing that as of today, for example, we have by far more subscribers to the most expensive program, which is precisely, and in the end, the less expensive also, Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading, compared to the less expensive of them all, or the most basic, which is the Bull and Bear Standard, which price I believe to be more or less $600 per month. Friends, results, credibility, history, 100% accuracy, proven in every single stock, pick, obviously, customers, subscribers, they responded, and I'm here very proud of it. Once again, one more year passed, and we continue shaping markets history. As of today, you basically got $110 in Ferrari. Is astonishing, but does not constitute a surprise, as you were informed about it. There are companies that they are still going to report. The case of Apple, we already announced what to expect, as well as tomorrow, then the case of Tesla. We already also announced what we expect in some of the most important earnings that they already reported, the case of Amazon and so on. And I strongly recommend you to continue following up the recent trader scores, since it constitutes a major reference to you. It explains very well everything that has been happening in the markets, and moreover, in stocks as an example, AutoZone or O'Reilly, which you are aware that we call the crash. In these stocks, we demonstrated 100% accuracy in stocks that they trade at $800, they crashed down to $493, at 493, and only at 493 you received a trade alert upgrading AutoZone. As of today, you have AutoZone at $545. The case of O'Reilly, at $170, you received the trade alert upgrading O'Reilly after predicting the crash, $270, and today you have, or in the past couple of weeks, also an important bounce, $35 since then per share, proven, 100% accuracy. You have all this history time-stamped in your service, and as you can see, no one can obviously lose money in the market. So the number of subscribers quadruple. We didn't expect this given the price of the service, and moreover, other thing that has been accomplished here, given the profits given to subscribers, since the service contemplates a 3-year program, we have all the customers, which is amazing. Basically, they had to anticipate the payments since the profits are, as according to the contract, if the profits obtained are 10 times or 8 times above the subscription price, you anticipate the profits. Therefore, going forward, you have more than 2 years and a half of poor profit, which is rather amazing. So not only you already have the service paid, as well as you have basically 3 years ahead of pure profit. That is, we are going to be obviously here, as we have been here for the past 30 years. Some of these trades that they were communicated with you, I think that is important for you to know some of the results from some subscribers. About $8 million profit in the case of Ferrari, Netflix, O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts as well. Although for us the priority it was O'Reilly as well as AutoZone. But there are, every single stock pick addressed in that list, including Hertz, US Steel, and so on. We are talking about return on investment ROIs per week of 30% plus, which is impressive. And again, you have the history time-stamped. For example, a stock as Tesla, and by the way, some of the reviews you have on the web. A stock at Tesla, we demonstrate how to trade or to invest in Tesla with 100% accuracy, which is basically, and it is in fact, in the industry, the rest of the industry, it is completely impossible. So you can trade stock as Tesla, which is rather volatile, with 100% accuracy on both sides of the market, and then giving you accumulated profits, and this daily, weekly, monthly, year. In the end, the results or the profits are by far higher or beyond your own expectations. Tesla is going to report earnings. Bear in mind that we already announced, in our opinion, what to do. And the directions of investment, that is the investment strategies, they are public on the web. Okay, so you had the investment strategies public on the web several months ago, for example, telling you that was by far better to invest, or less risky to invest in a company as Nvidia. At the time it was trading at around $125 when the video was made available. You already had a quadruple long position, comparing, for example, with Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, meanwhile, didn't go anywhere, while Nvidia, you have it here at $164. Okay, so we were aware that thereafter we downgraded Nvidia to neutral at 168. Share price they plunged to $140. And as a subscriber, you received all the information in advance, what to do, precisely also how to play earnings going forward in Nvidia. It was one of the companies also that is going to report. So we planned all this in advance. disclosing the stock pivots, the strategies. You have the investment lessons in the trader's course that continues to be free, but soon is not going to be the case. Okay, so what is happening? Soon, obviously, we are going to the lower programs. We are going to increase prices because the trader's course. I'm sleeping 3-4 hours per day with lots of work in the trader's course, and people are not paying for it. Okay, so this is what I say. Again, I repeat, very proud for the number of subscribers to the program Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading, to Quadruple, to the point that today we have very restricted number of people as new subscribers, okay, for obvious reasons. Thank you and good luck investing in the markets. Today you are going also to have Apple earnings after hours. Bye.